Samsung is going to be bringing S Pen support to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This should become official in January. We have what is it? It's one of these filings, an FCC filing, where they have to talk about what they're bringing to that market, and these documents get leaked, and then it's like, hey, we know exactly what's happening. Well, this isn't that much of a surprise because I think Samsung themselves has said that some Note features are going to come to the rest of the Galaxy S lineup. So it's like, what Note features? What Note features are you talking about that aren't there other than the pen? So it's not really a surprise, but it is at least official now. The listing also confirms wireless power transfer. So that's charging from the phone itself to the wireless buds. Of course, Samsung makes their Galaxy Buds Pro. It'll have Wi-Fi 6E and ultra wideband on at least the S21 Ultra. So fast connections, a pen input. I still don't know what you're going to do with the pen. Is there going to be a little cradle, a little section on the S21 Ultra of the bunch? There'd be enough space. Is it going to stick to the side at different points, or are you going to have to carry it separately? Very curious how is there a case that you use that has a sleeve for it? I don't know. Interested to see how it's implemented, but it looks like it is happening.